2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along.
In today's video, we are decorating my small landing using IKEA furniture, and as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty cheap looking, so I had to come up with a hack to turn it into my glam style. I hope you enjoy. As you can see, I don't have the backing, so everything actually on the show at the back, and it was really annoying me. I have organizers that it didn't fit, so I got 2 pieces of white shelving unit cut in B&Q, and I used that nail glue, no more nails glue, and I already stuck on the sides, and I got mirror cut in a local merchant, and I used the same glue to put the top mirror on. And now we are doing the handles. Handles are actually from HomeSense. This was very quick and very affordable hack, and I really love the end result. I couldn't find my ruler, so I am trying my best to do another hack, measuring it accurately for the other side as well. I'm just using a card, and after getting one of them exactly where I want it, I made a little dot. Now I'm trying to duplicate it on the other side as well. I used the card to make a template, and I'm gonna be using it on the other sides. So this is a hack if you don't have your ruler handy. As an adhesive, I'm using Yoo-Hoo, but you can use whatever you have. It needs to be a strong one. And I will also be using hot glue gun, so I don't have to wait too long. And also, if it doesn't work, I have to drill it. I really don't want that process. I have to drill it and fix it in a normal way.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow.
Accuracy is everything, so I tried my best, and I'm really happy with how accurate they both are.
Tomorrow I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, rendering of stubbornness.
My furniture hack is ready. Now let's clean the area and then style it, then I'll give you the review.
I'm away from you. Yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.
This lamp is new from B&Q, and it was £35, and I really love the iridescent pink.
Yeah, we fight good. We make love better if we both know we'll be together forever. We can be.
It's a beautiful pink iridescent color. Really, really love it.
Learning to understand and sway together. We can be like the trees in the wind. Same old roots, but we can bend. Learning to understand and sway together. Till the end.
All done. Look how beautiful it turned out. Off camera, I made this beautiful floral arrangement, and the crystal vase is from HomeSense.
I made an old man.
Just making final adjustments so it looks roundish all the way around, nothing is sticking out. And I will be using a beautiful iridescent candle holder next to it that I bought from HomeSense.
Then he kept walking on down the road.
And these pumpkins are from AliExpress, and they were pack of 12.
And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he.
Let's start from downstairs. As you go up, you will see my artwork, and this particular one that I'm about to show you is one of my favorites. I have many layers on this painting, and the very top layer is not covering all the bottom layers, and it is called Peeking Through. And I use lace fabric to create these gorgeous flowers with spray paint.
What you've got.
If you want to see my art journey, follow me on Instagram @ShuleAlatArt. Would love to connect you over there as well.
I met a young man. Searching for glory.
Let me share my essential items to decorate a landing. Rug is a must as it's a high traffic volume area. Mirror is another must because it's usually a dark area. And another must is a light source. I have lamp as well as candle as well as fairy lights around the mirror that is from Ikea. Another essential item is some sort of furniture, narrow one or a shelving unit, so you can put your decor on top to make it well dressed, well decorated area. Another must for me is artwork, so adorn your wall space with artwork that you like. Look how neat it looks from the side. I'm so happy with this transformation. It's still messy at the back, but you cannot see, at least it looks very elegant. I am super happy with this transformation, and I'm going to show you the cozy evening version as well. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shule, and I really love decorating my home and sharing what I know with you on this platform. If you like what you see, please do subscribe before you leave, and here is the cozy evening version. Candle and the fairy lights are on a timer, and every evening they come on their own to create this beautiful space.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own landing and stair area, and I hope you're enjoying your Sunday with your loved ones. I will leave you with some more decor ideas playlist if you are in a mood to binge watch my content, and I will see you over there. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.